Now we will focus on certain important applications and exceptions. So important applications of rule number 6. Rule number 6 was that if you have a letter with shadda and letter before it has a sukoon, then you skip saying this letter. So instead of qadta, it becomes qatta, qatta, qatta. You totally avoid this letter. That was the rule number 6. Now an important application of rule number 6 is with alif lam. That is one of the most common applications, alif lam. If the letter with alif lam, lam with sukoon, has a shadda on it, like the name of this mosque, Al-Rahman, then in this case, because Ra has shadda and letter before Ra is lam and it has sukoon, because it has sukoon, you have to skip lam. As a result, when you read it, it becomes Ar-Rahman. Ar-Rahman. Not Al. That would be wrong. Ar. And all of the Arabic letters, specifically for alif lam, all of the Arabic letters coming after alif lam, if they have a shadda, then you need to skip saying lam. So all those letters which get shadda after alif lam are called shamsiya, huruf shamsiya, or in English, sun letters. The word sun is just used for the naming convention. It has no other importance. So huruf shamsiya, all of them, they will come after alif lam and they would have a shadda. You notice here Ra, Sheen, and there's another list of 12 to 16 letters. Lam will have sukoon, and both of these letters, for example, have shadda, so they are read as ar, ash. Lam is never pronounced. Lam is never pronounced. And to counter this, we also have other set of letters in Arabic. They're called moon letters or huruf qamariya. They come after al, but they don't have shadda. So al-bayt, for example. Now lam has sukoon, letter after is ba, it doesn't have shadda, so you're not going to apply the rule number 6 anyway. As a result, this would be read as al-bayt, al-bayt. So you pronounce lam very clearly. So to sum it up, important application of rule number 6 is sun letters, which means each of those letters, when they come with alif lam, al, they will have a shadda, so you need to skip the lam sound. On the other hand, rest of the letters which come with alif lam but they don't have shadda, they should be said as they are. So this is not application of rule 6. All the sun letters are application of rule 6. In the end, that's the important part. All the sun letters in Arabic are the important application of rule number 6. That was the important application of rule number 6. Now, let's go to the important application of rule number 7. Rule number 7 is the rule of Maddah. And we learned that if you put this symbol, then it should be 3 long. If you put this symbol, it should be 4 long. Do know that some countries use the rule of 4 and 6 here. Both rules are correct. 4 and 6 seems to be more common. your green book from page 50, yes, page 50 uses 3 and 4, so that's why I'm sticking with that. So this would be made 3 long, this would be made 4 long. And you know that you only make the long vowel long because these maddahs only work with long vowels. So when you have long vowel, meme with alif, meme with ya, or meme with waw, and if it has this symbol, then this would be all 3 long, 3 long. While here, this other symbol, long maddah, will be 4 long, 4 long. So that is your rule itself. However, an important application of maddahs in Quran is listed on the green book, page number 54. They are called Muqati'aat. Muqati'aat. These are the words in Quran, we do not know their meaning. They usually start a surah. I don't know how many surahs start with them, but they usually come in the beginning of a surah. We don't know their meaning, and they are on page 54 of your green book. And the rule says that each letter which uses, which is there because of muqati'at, should be said individually. So, for example, this is a muqati'at from Quran. This is one of the muqati'at words. You read it as alif, lam, ra, individually. And then you have to make it long enough. This will be 1 long, this will be 2 long because of this symbol, this will be 3 long. So alif, lam, ra, alif, lam, ra. First one is 1, second one is 2, the other one is 3. Alif, lam, again, alif, lam, ra. So page 54 has a lot of these words, and exercise is on page 55. You can look at these words and you can listen to the audio of this page to read all of the words. But here is another one, an important one from that page. All of them are 4 long. So it will be Ta, Sin, Ain, Qaf. So again, because it is a muqati'at, should be read individually. Each letter should be read individually, and depending on the symbol on it, you have to make it equally long. You have to make it long according to the symbol. For example, here